How to add or change a priority level in Todoist. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add or change a priority level in Todoist. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your Todoist account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, you can see your today's tax and the taxes are available. You can also add tax, etc. And then by the left side of the screen, you can see other options as well. So as you can see, this the next step is to select the tax that you'd like to add or change its priority, or you can decide to click on add tax. And after adding tax, you'll be asked to select the tax name. So for me, I'll be going with tidying. Alright, and then another description you could add in perhaps cooking. Yes, and then you can add the due date, and then next to the due date you can see priority. So to add a priority, just click on priority, and then you can see the different levels of priority. So to add a priority, you just click on the priority that you want, and then you can change the project or to leave it the way it is. Then click on add tax, and just like that, a priority has been added to the tax. Now for you to be able to change priority, by the way, go to the left side of the screen, select your order tax, and then for example this particular tax, click on edit, and then you can see due date as well as priority. Click on priority, and then you can just select another priority to change it. They click on save, then just like that, the priority has been changed. So that is it. Very, very simple. This is how you can add or change a priority level into it. Just ensure you try it out. All right. Thanks for watching and have a good day.